What's going on, everyone? 20 seconds until the launch of the 2023 Polaris snowmobiles. I hear they're coming out with the 900 and the boost and some trail sleds. But yeah, 10 seconds. Not sure what I'm ordering yet, but let's see what they got to offer.
Because we're here to do more than make the best sleds in the business. We're here to help you make the most out of your winter.
Oh, look at all the new sleds there.
Hi everybody.
So I can already see there's a 900cc here. Oh man, I don't know what to order. I don't know if I want to watch the YouTube video or order my sled. This is hard. Okay, we're here on the Polaris website now. Let's build our 2023. I think we're gonna go with the Pro RMK Slash. Last year we went with the RMK Chaos Slash, and you know, I love the Chaos, but I think I'm gonna go with the Pro RMK this year, just because you know, try something different, because I don't really know Polaris's that well. And I think it'll be a little bit better of a tree riding machine, which, you know, that's what I spend most of my time doing. So we'll go with the Pro RMK. And I definitely recommend the Slash, because that not just shorter, but tapered tunnel, I think makes a big difference. Now we got 3 engines here to choose from, and we're gonna go with the 900 this year. You know, I'm scared I'm gonna miss the boost, but I just ran the boost for a whole season. So now I kind of want to try something different. So we're gonna go with the 900. It's somewhere around 24 pounds lighter than the boost, and it's gonna have better throttle response and more torque. We're going for the lightweight sled this year, so that's why we're gonna go with the 900. Next up is our track. Now we could go 155 or 163, but we're definitely doing the 155 because that's my favorite length for my riding style. You could just do a little bit of everything with it. There's definitely days where I wish I had a longer sled, but there's days where I definitely wouldn't want that length. So it's between the 3-inch or the 275, which is a hard call. I've never rode a 275. I've always rode 3-inch. I did have a 154 2.5 like quite a few years ago, but I like the 3-inch, so I think we're gonna go with 3-inch. The only downside to the 3-inch is I don't know if it comes with extrovert drivers, whereas the 275 does. Now we got our colors, which isn't really very important, but there's some weird color schemes here this year. The red looks pretty cool, but let's go all black. Now, I did wish I ordered electric start this year, but I think we're gonna go with the manual start again, just because, like I mentioned, we're going for the lightweight power to weight ratio. We definitely don't need a windshield, even though they don't charge you anything for the windshield and you can just take it right off. So if you want a windshield for those cold trail days or something, and then take it off at the cabin, get the most out of your money since they don't charge you for it. Next up, we got our shock package. We could go for the lightweight Walker Evans or the Velocity, which I've got the Velocity right now. Having the adjustability is nice, but in the theme of lightweight, we're gonna go with the lightweight shocks this year. Obviously I don't do too much jumping, so I don't really need them there, but I do ride a lot of rough trail. So if it ends up being a bad decision, I could always just put some aftermarket shocks on it. Next up, handlebars, low, medium, high. And even the low handlebars, which I have this year, seem high to me. And we have to get that 7S display for sure. So yeah, that's our sled, 900 Pro RMK. Gonna have a look through some of the accessories here. I've never really been the guy that adds all his accessories on when he snow checks the sled, but kind of thinking with the way things are in the world right now, you almost have to buy your accessories at the same time. I didn't put anything on the KS this year. All I bought was a tunnel bag. Lighting, ooh, we get some auxiliary floodlights on the mountain sled, maintenance kit, drive belt, and spark plugs. One spark plug. Well, that kind of wraps up the video. We've got our spring order locked in here. Don't let my decision on what I'm ordering persuade you to order the same thing or even something similar. I mean, obviously, if you're a trail rider, you're not going to, but more if you're mountain riding, you've really got to use your discretion and your riding style, what your buddies are riding, to decide what you're gonna order. Try and make the right decision, but do it quick. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. I was just about to click render on the video here, but I got a message from Brett Turcott since I asked him about the 900, and he says he's gonna have a video out ASAP, so head over to his channel and make sure you check that out if you want to learn more about the 900.